Hi, I'm Dr. James Perin, and I'd like to introduce you to a line of surgical instruments and retractors I've developed over my years of training. These instruments are designed for their ease of use, simplicity, and improvement in outcome. The advantages of the NeoGrip surgical instruments that I've designed are: number 1, decreased muscle cramp and fatigue. Number 2, they work ergonomically with the surgeon's wrists and hand. And number 3, easier to maneuver in tight spaces. In the demonstration, we see the slender design of the instrument. The rings have been removed to improve the ergonomic angles and grip of the instrument. A quick release ratchet has been added to the instrument to allow for squeezing of the shanks and easy release of the instrument. A pencil grip or other grips can be used very easily by manipulating the instrument in the hand. The pencil grip can go very simply from holding it between the fingers to a palm grip where the thumb now manipulates the shank. The instrument can be moved back and forth and released and locked very simply with the thumb. In this simple demonstration of suturing, the slender design of the needle driver can be appreciated. As the needle is pulled through, another throw is set for taking the needle with the tip, holding in a palm grip. The needle driver is then set. A very tight, narrow turn can be made. The two shanks are squeezed together and the needle is released and then grabbed and pulled through. In demonstrating another throw, the tips grab the needle. It is locked. A very tight angle can be taken. With a turn of the wrist, the two shanks will be squeezed together. The needle is released and then pulled through to give a very nice suture line. High surgical instruments and needle drivers were designed to be thin so they could be easily maneuvered, simplicity of use, and then their accuracy in tight spaces. It is easy to see how the pie instrument fits in the palm of the hand. The thumb and forefinger squeeze the instrument, which opens and closes the tip. The instrument can be rotated and maneuvered within the hand simply. The instrument has a spring that provides tension, grips on the side for the thumb and forefinger, and the shanks cross to provide stability. In this simple demonstration showing the pie needle driver in suturing, the tip of the needle driver grasps the needle and pulls it through. The needle driver is reset, grasping in the middle of the needle, and another throw is placed. It is easy to see the narrow turning angle needed for the instrument. Pushing the thumb and forefinger together releases the needle, which is then reset and another throw is made. The square retractor is designed for its simplicity and stability. The blades can be inserted into the wound, and a spring-like action opens the wound. When the retractor is squeezed and then released, the wound is open. So in this simple demonstration, we can see that as the retractor is squeezed, it is placed into the wound and allowed to release, opening the wound. There's stability from the bilateral force of the blade.